Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to drop your comment, because trust me, I love reading your comments. All right, so guys, I'm going to make this video as short as possible. I get asked this a lot, so I decided to make a video just telling you guys how I do this. So these are my braids, right? I've been carrying these braids for 2.5 months now, which is insane because these are like knotless braids. You expect one to carry knotless braids for maybe like a month, maximum a month and a couple of weeks. And everybody keeps asking me, like, how do you maintain your braids? How do you keep your scalp clean? How do you not have itchy scalp? How come your braids still look so good? All right, I'm going to try to tackle all that in this video. First of all, I wash my hair, or I wash my braids. So I've had my braids on for 2.5 months, and since I made this hair, I've washed my hair twice. Okay, so after 1 month I washed it, after the second month I washed it. So if I still carry this to 3 months, maybe not, but if I do have it until the month 3, then I'll definitely have to wash it again. But guys, honestly, I think it's time to take down these braids. What do you think? Just drop your comments in the comment section. So personally, I actually do have itchy scalp. My scalp tends to get itchy, especially when the weather is very dry like what we have right now, and also when I have my hair in braids or protective styling, because we tend to ignore our hair when it's in protective styling. So sometimes I do that, and if that happens, my scalp starts to react. So I found this amazing product. And I found that this really works in calming my itchy scalp down. So what I do, the first thing I do very first thing I do is to take this and apply. The good thing is that it already comes with a dropper, which is awesome. So I just apply this on my scalp. So it's not oil based, it's actually water based, which is good because not only does it tackle your itchy scalp, it's also a medium for moisture to penetrate into your scalp. And if you want to use oil afterwards, your oils don't just sit on your hair because you have a moisture on your scalp. So I'm just going to go ahead now and apply this around my scalp. Okay guys, I just finished applying this product to my hair. Okay, first of all, I know I didn't talk about the product, but this is called Eucerin Calming Urea Scalp Treatment. So it's actually a scalp treatment ointment. So this is a calming scalp treatment, and the product is called Eucerin. So now that I just applied it around my scalp, I'm going to go ahead and use the next 3 minutes to thoroughly massage this into my scalp. So what this does is that it calms your scalp. If you have itchy scalp, all those really aggressive itchy scalp, this takes care of that. It calms it down. So guys, this is actually more effective after you washed your hair. So but my hair is not washed right now, but let's say when I washed my hair, right, while my scalp is still really raw and clean, the very first thing I do is to apply this Eucerin ointment on my scalp. Oh my god guys, there is nothing, no itchy scalp or dandruff that will rear its ugly head if you do this. The first month I washed my hair, right, I didn't do that. I just washed my head and I use oil on my scalp first, and then I use the Eucerin. That didn't really work so good because my scalp started itching me like some days after that. But the second time I washed my hair, what I did was that while my scalp was still raw and clean, I just took the Eucerin and applied it around my scalp, massaged it in. It went in there, penetrated my scalp, and I did not have any itchy scalp. I did not have any dandruff, absolutely nothing up till this very moment, guys. See, I haven't washed my hair in almost a month and nothing, absolutely nothing. So I really love this product. I think I'll confidently say that this product actually works. After applying that and massaging that into my scalp, the next thing I'm going to go in is with this. So this is my Shebe tea. If you know me, you know that instead of just using spraying regular water on my hair, I like to use Shebe tea. So I'm just going to, so my Shebe tea actually has a few drops of tea tree oil in it. So I'm just going to go ahead now and spray this on the strands of my hair, the strands of my braids. And as I'm spraying that, I'm just going to like press that moisture into the hair. That's just what I'm going to do. And I'm going to do that in sections all the way to the tip. Alright, so I have applied the moisture on my entire braids from all the way down to the tips of every single braid. So my braid is nicely moisturized right now. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my hair growth oil and I'm going to apply this on my scalp. So this is basically just to seal. So remember I said that the Eucerin is water based, so I need to seal in that moisture using an oil. I don't like using butters on my scalp because butters are heavier, so I rather use butter on the strands of my hair or the strands of my braids, and then I use oil on my scalp. So can you see what I did here? I used the Eucerin for my scalp and then sealed in the moisture with oil, and then I used the Shebe tea for the strands of my hair, and then I'm going to seal in that moisture with butter. So now I'm just going to go ahead and apply this oil onto my scalp. So I've applied oil on my scalp, and I'm also going to do the same thing I did with the Eucerin. I'm just going to massage it into my scalp. Guys, this feels so good. I just wish somebody was doing this for me right now so I can just slip off. So now that I've massaged oil into my scalp is all good now. So the next thing I'm going to do is to seal in the moisture on the strands of my hair. So I'm going to use my Ayurvedic butter. Guys, this is already finished. Oh my god. I need to make a new batch. I love this butter, guys. It is so good. So I'm just going to use this smudge. See why I love it? It literally like just dissolves. So I'm just going to like comb this into my hair, into the strands of my hair. I'm not going to like make it too oily, so that's why I'm like running my fingers through it to make sure every strand gets coated, but not oily. So the last thing I'm going to do now is to brush my edges. And that is it. So it's actually night right now. I'm about to go to bed. I just had to shoot this video very quickly just for you, anything for you guys. That was so ridiculous. Okay, so this is it. If it's daytime, you're good to go like this. Just style your hair, anything you want to do, and go. So because it's night and because I'm going to bed and because I want my hair to look like really good in the morning, I'm just going to use a satin scarf. Okay, so I've tied my hair with my scarf. You can definitely go to bed like this if you want to, but I really don't like my hair just like hanging out. I feel like if I just go to bed, because I'm not using satin sheets, I'm not using satin pillowcase, it's my bed sheet can like suck out all the moisture I used so much time to put into my hair. So I still go ahead to wear my satin bonnet. So I just like wrap this up and then I wear my satin bonnets. And that is that, guys. So right now I'm ready to go to bed, and by the time you wake up the next day, your braids are looking and you can do this actually once a week, because this is like a process, right? And because you're sealing all that moisture, you don't have to do this too regularly. And because I don't want anything to irritate my scalp, because of how sensitive my scalp is, I just do this once a week. You can do this twice a week if you're good, but for me, what works for me is once a week. All right, guys, so that is it for this video. I hope somebody found this informative. I hope this was helpful to somebody. If you liked it, please subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to like. Don't forget to drop your comments. Like I said, I love listening to or reading from you guys. Please encourage me to release more content by subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Have an amazing day. Bye.